how to adjust photo situation on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on photo. So after click on photo, see if you want to adjust photo situation, so click on this edit icon. So click on this tone icon. So after click on this tone icon, you will see search situation from here. So you will see situation is here. So if you want to adjust photo situation, so you will see you will increase or decrease situation from here. So after adjust situation, click on save. You will see photo situation is adjust. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can adjust photo situation on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.